How to turn off Norton Antivirus. Welcome to Glitch Sorcerer. Let's jump right into the video. In this video, I will guide you how you can turn off the Norton Antivirus protection in both Windows and Mac. Firstly, I'm going to show you how you can do that in Windows. In Windows, you first want to open up your PC or laptop. Here in the notification area on the taskbar, right-click the Norton product icon and click the following: Disable Auto Protect and Disable Firewall. In the Security Request window, in the Select the Duration drop-down list, select the duration for which you want to turn off Norton protection. Then click on the OK option. Once you do that, Norton protection will be turned off and it will be turned on automatically after the duration you specify in the Security Request window. To turn on Norton protection manually, in the notification area on the taskbar, right-click the Norton product icon and then click Enable Auto Protect / Enable Firewall. Now let's move on to Mac. Open up your Mac and then open your Norton Device Security product. If you see the My Norton window next to Device Security, click Open. On the Norton product main window, click Advanced or Settings. On the left pane, click Protect My Mac. Then in the Automatic Scans row, move the switch to Off. Now on the left pane, click Firewall. In the Connection Blocking row, move the switch to Off. Then in the Vulnerability Protection row, move the switch to Off. And in these simple steps, you have turned off the Norton Antivirus in both Windows and Mac. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do let us know on the comment section. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.